Hello everyone, I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company and SEO consultant. So today I'm here with a new exciting video, and the video is regarding how to run Google local service ads, or how to set up Google local service ads, or you can say a detailed tutorial on how you can set up your Google local service ads. So let's start with me on this amazing topic. So the question on running Google local service ads are, you maybe have on, what are Google local service ads, and where do local service ads appear? So for your question, what are Google local service ads are? Google local service ads are basically customized ads for a specific city, because you know that Google has been evolving, and then where you can see that the results for every person may differ according to the region, city, place, and the language he is searching for. So what result I may see, it doesn't necessarily you are going to see it. And the local service results are actually customized local ads targeting local people. So there are certain services which only local one can appear. For instance, someone is searching for doctor near me and needs a physical visit, then you know the local service ads are going to be the right target for you. So now the question is, where do local service ads appear? So you can see over here, if you see around, the local service ads are being shown above the regular even search ads. You can see over here, you can see the other examples, you can see that they are being shown above. And you can see that because someone is searching for plumber in Dallas, so you can see that these are the local service ads and these are the Google ads. So they are even showing above the Google ads. And then you can see over here the local service ads are being shown above on the Google ads. And there is another video, you can see local service ads showing above the simple PPC ads. So now you have another question, because I answered two questions. Is one is, what are Google local service ads, and the second is, where do local service ads appear? So the third question is local service ads are for me? Okay, so if you are a doctor, plumber, engineer, restaurant, delivery, or shop targeting to a specific area, targeting only to a specific area, not to a whole region, then you should run it. Because you can, someone is searching for doctor near me, or a pizza near me, food near me, mobile shop near me. I mean, uh, there can be so many keywords and so many services for which you can target them. So in case if you are providing search service, then yes, Google local service ads are for you. And now I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can create and run Google local service ad. So stay with me on this. So this is one such dashboard of a Google Ads account, and now I'm going to tell you on how to set up Google local service ads. So now in your home tab, simply select the campaign tab over here, and from plus you are going to create a new campaign. Once you select that new campaign tab, you can see that Google is going to provide you with 8 visits options: sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visits and promotions. Create a campaign without a guidance. So because we are going to set up how local service ads, then we are going to select the local store visits and promotion from over here, and then we are going to select this one. Okay, and then they are asking you choose your local store visits and promotion conversion goals. So here you can select show your ads to people who are more likely to contact a business like yours, or show your ads to people who are more likely looking for a direction to business like yours. So here the difference is, in case if someone needs to visit your shop, then you can select this one. And in case if you want someone to visit you, in case if you are going to visit your customer, then you're going to see one. Let's, I know you may be confused, so let me answer it over here on that. So for instance, if it's a doctor, you have to go to a doctor. Doctor is not going to come your home. then you can select the direction. But in case if it's you are asking for a food delivery, then you can show your contact. So either way of the things can work as well. So if you ask me what is my preference, the contact is my preference. That is my personal preference because that gives you more authority, more edge, more professionalism. So that I'm going to select this one over here. And then what store locations should you promote? You can select your locations, create your location group, and you can even create a new location group and select by chain. You can select chain, you can select an area, you can select a specific location, you can select a store as well. You can have it linked with your Google My Business and have it added over here, so you can save it as well for your reference. And once you select that, now simply save it from over here. You can name it and select the continue from over here. Once you select the continue, now if you ask for what do you want to focus on, conversions or conversions value, I recommend you to start with the conversion. Make sure to have conversion tracking installed on your website as well, so that you can track at a very good strategy. And in case if you are only bid for new customers, you can offer this as well. And in case if you want to regularly engage with your regular customers, then you can have it unchecked. So it's again your personal strategy. If you only want new customers, yeah, the ads to be shown, then check it over here. And in case if you want to target everyone, then you can uncheck it. You can also create a new campaign for one campaign for new customers and one for all, and you can have an idea, do an A/B testing on what is working well for you. And then simply select the next one over here. You can select the languages. You can do your research in case if you want to run for a specific time. You can select from over here and then move on to the next. And then you can name your asset, whatever you are going to name it. And then you can select your URL from over here. And for instance, if I am going to select this one, I can also add my images over here. I can also add my logos over here. And I can even see the ideas from Google and I can use it. I'm not doing the work, but you have to create a good ad. And in case if you need such, the details are in the description of this video and how you can reach with us and work with my team. And you can select any I'm just selecting for my own blog website, but I'm suggesting you can choose a good one. You can write a good one, select a good one. And you can also add your business name, and business name is going to make you look even more professional. You can see over here like this. You can see it's mad over here because I added Adidas store. But again, you can see that if you are going to add your own Google My Business location, then it's going to do wonders. And then select write your business name, and I'm going to write my business name over here. And then I can select over here, and then I'm going to select then next. Again, my budget recommendations, I can select my custom budget as well, and then I can all done over here. And because I haven't selected the budget yet, so the budget is I think as well, but the budget 7.9, or even this one is even fine with it, but let's go with the 7.9 as per the recommendation. And then I can sort out my multiple asset groups as well. I need to have more images over here. I need to have my logo over here as well. So I'm going to select my logo as well. I can select this one. And in the images, I can select this one. Okay, I'm using it for the reference to show you. But again, you need to create a proper one for this one. And then you are done with all this stuff, and then next, and they are finalizing. Google is finalizing and checking for possible errors. So meanwhile it's doing it. I hope you like it, my tutorial on how to set up Google local service ads. I know that there can be more issues, and you have to work on your keywords. You have to look around on your competitors. You have to look on everywhere to see for any possible errors. You can see that still I got one image care required as well, and I need to get it sorted as well. So let's sort it right away as well for in front of you guys as well. So they are asking me to add one scare image as well, so I can add all of this stuff as well, and I can save all of them, so I do not have any issue. Now they are reviewing again for and now it's all okay, and I can now publish the campaign. So it's publishing and it's published. So now while it's in review, I hope you like my video on how to set up local Google local service ads. And in case if you need such services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can work with me and my team to get your ads up and running. We are a Google partner company and do very